go. You've got to work out where all the mud and puddles are, haven't you? And leaves. Everything must be massive to him. So again, the same correction if he does. Relax your lead because you've got tension on your lead. Good boy! Yay!
Good boy!
And then you can let them off. So this will actually help him because they're going that way. Good. I'm for it.
It's this little dart. I said Blue could swallow him whole.
He's like, I've got a new mate. Hey! Good. Blue's like, well, do I get my ball or do I play with this little dog?
Both.
Yeah, don't stamp on him. Hey, he does that with the cat. Look at him go. Bless him. So, my dog's clocked him. Her. Good. So when you give the treat, make sure you give it when he's looking at you, not at the object. So he's barking because we've got a dog and a person in the distance. So this is Digby learning to follow his owner. And he's doing really, really well. We've got to, you'll see when I put the video on, we've got to work on his barking issue. Because he barks. He didn't bark last week, but today. That's initially why she booked him in, because he barks at anything and everything. So we've done a little bit of, you know, telling her what to do, how to correct it. But now it's a work in progress, so we need more people and dogs to come past so we can test it. But he's doing really well with the... So change direction, go the other way. He's doing really well with the following. Good. That's it. Yay! So she's doing everything right, so when he follows her, you can use a biscuit to redirect. So let him nibble it, but keep hold of it. Offer the biscuit. Oh, they're coming past this way. Just move him in a bit. Good. Good. Redirect with the biscuit before you give it him. He's got to look at the biscuit, not the people. Good boy. Give him the biscuit.
Good boy.
That's it. Good boy. So you actually give it up quicker then.
Okay.
He only did 2 or 3 yaps.
Yeah, he did.